Today is all about creating an amazing seascape. We only need 5 colors: yellow, white, red, black, and blue. Let's get started. Step 1, the sunset sky. First, let's mix up our sky. Take blue and white. Use your round brush for this. Add a little bit of red to that blue mix and blend it well. It makes a gorgeous violet sky. Throw in more yellow, red, and white to make that sunset glow. Step 2, horizon and clouds. Mix blue and a little black to get a nice dark color. Make a straight line right across for the horizon. Add pure white to that dark area and quickly blend it up into the blue. So misty. For the clouds, add more red and white to the blue you already mixed. Use a circular motion with your brush. It makes them look soft and fluffy. Take that light violet you mixed and stir in a little red and yellow. Pro tip: you can use your index finger to gently smudge the color. Add more red and yellow into the cloud area to make it blend. Don't rush. Just trust the process. These layers will look fantastic. Now let's mix red, yellow, and white color. Just add more white again. And to the light violet we mixed earlier, just add a little white. Step 3, waves and details. Now, for our ocean. Mix blue and little white. Add blue for detailing. And add a little pink. Add a touch of pink too. Mix blue and a little white for the main watercolor. Add more white to your original blue mix. While the paint is still wet, put down pure white and blend it quickly. These are our whitecaps and sea foam. We are painting waves now. Be patient with those tiny details. Add more blue for the shadows and the waves. Use pure white again for the tiny bright details. Add more light blue. And then a little bit of pink. This is the beautiful reflection from the sunset. And for our final touch, just add white for our moon and just black color for our birds. And there we have it, our vibrant sunset painting. I hope you enjoyed creating these dramatic clouds and lively waves with me today. If you loved this tutorial and want to keep exploring beautiful scenes, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell so you don't miss any new art lessons. Thank you so much for painting with me. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.